In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called Omerta. Omerta is a ransomware that belongs to the Scarab ransomware family. The purpose of this ransomware is to encrypt files. We discovered this Omerta ransomware while inspecting malware samples that were submitted to the VirusTotal database. In addition to encrypting data, Omerta replaces file names with a string of random characters with the Omerta as the extension and drops the special ransom note on the screen. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not associated with this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'm showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. You can now clearly see that we don't have any troubles opening the files before the ransomware attacks. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called Omerta may be easily injected into the files. And then pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. So then after the ransomware attack, you are not able to open your files anymore because this Omerta extension has been added to the files. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend that you immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this official page, combocleaner.com, download the program, install the application, and then start thoroughly investigating your device with its help. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and then begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete this horrible ransomware type infection called Omerta, and it will also help to protect all your data from being damaged and encrypted in the future. Combo Cleaner Premium license is also provided with the excellent anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that can always be protected against ransomware attacks. You need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will definitely see the summary of the threats which were revealed on the system. You will be able to know the exact locations of threats on your computer. Based on that summary, some threats can always be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.